Okay, hello, welcome again. So in this part, I will show you how to post the journal entries to the respective ledger accounts. So the first one, what you will do, you will have to look at how many accounts, individual, meaning unique accounts you have. So what I will do one by one. And I will show you only two of them, and I'm sure that after following me, you can easily do this. And I have already done all of them. But I will show you practically how to do that. So we can see that cash has many transactions. So the first, we have the cash accounts over here. So this part, meaning this part is the debit, meaning this one is the debit side, and this one is the credit side. Okay. So first thing, what we have to do, we look at the journal entry. So what we can see that cash is debit over here, and the date is January 1st. So what I'm gonna do, so this is the debit side, okay? So I will post the cash amount 100,000 on the debit side, okay? This is the debit side. So the January 1st, January 1st. So how much? So 100,000 on the debit side. Okay. So this one is done. Okay. Now let's see, we will find cash again. So we found a cash, another cash. And here the cash is credit. So, and the date is say January 4, and the cash is credit. And how much it is? So 2,400 credit. Okay. See that cash is credit. That is why we have posted on the credit side. And now let's see again. So cash, we have found cash again. It is debit. So 30,000. So, and this is on January 15. So January 15, cash is debit. How much it is? 30,000. Okay. And then again, let's see, 15. Again, we have a cash, another cash. So, and that is credit. So let's go to the credit side over here. So January 20, and the amount is 6,000 credit cash. Okay. Okay. And then we have another one. So cash debit. So on January 22nd. So January 22nd, and that is $10,000 cash debit. That's fine. And then what else? Okay, we have another one on January 24. That is credit cash. See that? The cash is credit. So let's go on the credit side. So 24. So, and that is credit side is 15,000. Okay. And then January 26, we have received cash. So January 26, and the debit amount of cash is 6,000. That is good. And again, January 28, we have, so January 28, and the cash has been credited, so that is 1,000. Okay. And then see, we have another credit of cash. So, and that is for, sorry, and 130, and that one is 4,000. Okay. So after posting all of the uh, amounts for an account, so what you will do, you will have to look around. So we can easily see that the debit side is higher than the credit side. So what do you go, I'm gonna do? So look over here. Mm, So okay, let's use the sum function. Sum. Okay, close. So 146,000, and now I am writing this 146,000 over here. Okay, so this 146,000. Okay, no. Oh, we should write over here. Now write 146,000. Okay, and so the difference between this 146,000 and this is the balance over here. Okay, so now let me show you manually. So this one minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this. Okay, 117,000. This is actually the balance. Okay, but finally we will show the balance of cash over here. So cash has a debit balance. It means that debit is greater than credit amount. Okay, so 117,000. This is our ending balance, and we are saying this one balance on 31st January. Okay, so this is the debit balance. And now, as I told you, so I will show you how to post. I'll show you how to post the cost of goods sold amount. Okay, let's find the cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold on January 10. So cost of goods sold is debit. Okay, so January 10, cost of goods sold is debit. So January 10, 7,000 cost of goods sold, right? And then we have another one on January 22nd. Okay, January 22nd. Okay, and total is cost of goods sold is 6,000. Okay, okay. See that the cost of goods sold 6,000 debit. Another one is 7,000 debit. So total it's gonna be 13,000, or we can use the sum function. So I'm writing this 13,000 over here. And since there is nothing over there, so we have to write this 30. This is actually balance, okay? And finally, we will, since it is a debit balance, so I'm gonna write this one on the third debit side, left side, okay? So this is our debit balance. We know that the normal balance of the cost of goods sold is debit, okay? And I have already posted all the accounts, and I have created them, okay? And I will show you how to prepare the trial balance in the next video, okay?